Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Richard Allen. In today's video, I want to talk about something that you may find kind of boring, but I think we may see some big upside in these stocks over the next couple weeks to couple months. So I want to talk about airline stocks. So my goal with my channel is to help you make money, and I want to make some money as well. I have this audacious goal of growing my portfolio by 30% per month for the next year, and I want to bring you along on that journey. So if you aren't subscribed already, please consider subscribing down below. I'll bring you stock tips and ideas that I have for growing my portfolio. I'm already on pace to grow my portfolio by another 30% this month. I grew it by 25% just last week. And things are going really, really well in the stock market. I love volatile times in the stock market. That's what kind of suits my trading style. So right now is a pretty darn volatile time in the stock market. But the reason I want to talk about airlines is Southwest Airlines is up huge today. They're up almost 6%. Here's why. They came out and said, look, our earnings they had their earnings per share. They didn't miss by as much as Wall Street thought they would. They had an estimated earnings per share loss of $2.35. They only lost $1.99 per share. Now, during the pandemic, that's crazy, right? Everybody expected them to lose way more money than they did. And they came out and said, look, we have enough money, we have enough cash on hand to survive the next 2 years at current levels, which is crazy. This is great news for Southwest Airlines. They're one of my favorite airlines anyway, them and Delta. Delta's a big hub for me here. I live in Minnesota. It is super cold. We had the storm of the freaking century, the decade, I guess. It hasn't snowed so much in October since 1991. We had a snowstorm on Halloween. I was playing in the snow with my kids the other day, which was absolutely crazy in October. But it's cold. It's cold. I actually film in my garage, and I'm not completely finished winterizing. It's cold in here. It's a little cold. But the reason I want to talk about the cold and airlines is people travel more over the next month than they do in the entire year. So I want you to keep that in mind, okay? November, December, January, I guess the next 3 months are huge for travel. And if we get any sort of vaccine news or coronavirus numbers going down, something like that we could see a surge in airline stocks. So airline stocks are absolutely battered this year. Southwest Airlines, for instance, is down 20% over the year. Delta is down 40% over the year. They're up today 6.5% as well. I think most of the airlines are up, so that's kind of what I want to talk about it. 3% for American Airlines, they're up, but they're down 54% for the year. So huge upside potential for these stocks. And if we get stimulus with direct payments to airlines, that could be even more of a factor. So I want you guys to get these stocks on your radar. Southwest Airlines, American Airlines, Delta, what are some others? Spirit. Nobody likes Spirit. But Spirit Airlines, they're up 8.6% today. I mean, they're up huge, but they're also down 53% for the year. So these are all stocks that I want you guys to get on your radar. You know what? It doesn't matter if you don't like Spirit Airlines. Spirit Airlines could make you some freaking money over the next couple weeks. JetBlue, they're up 9% today. They're down 27% over the last year. So guys, I want you to look at these stocks over the next couple weeks, and I think we have some upside potential right now as we get people just traveling a little bit more. People are traveling more. People are still scared to get sick, and rightfully so. You know, I got my hair cut yesterday, and her whole family got the coronavirus a few weeks ago. So it's something that is still top of mind for people, and I get it. But I think people are going to travel anyway. People are going to be safe and they're going to wear their masks on the flight. But I think people are going to travel anyway because they want to see family. Are they going to travel less than normal? Yeah, absolutely. But I don't think we're going to see as big of a hit in the fourth quarter for airlines as we thought we would. And I think we're already seeing that with American Airlines outperforming their previous estimates. So I wanted to get this on your radar. I don't know which one of these stocks I'm going to be investing in. I think I'm looking more towards Delta and Spirit, believe it or not, because they're down a little bit more. So I think there's some more upside potential for those two, especially Delta. Yeah, I appreciate you watching today. Thank you so much for watching all my videos lately. I really, really appreciate it. Again, my goal is to grow my portfolio by 30% per month for the next year, and I want to bring you along on that journey. So if you're not subscribed already, please consider subscribing. And you'll see a link down in the description. I'll put all these stock tickers down there as well. You'll see a link in the description for Webull. They're actually doing a better promotion than they were even yesterday. They're doing 3 free stocks when you sign up for Webull. If you don't have an account already, please go down there in the description below, click the link, create a new account and deposit just $100, and you could have 3 free stocks valued at up to $1,600 a piece. It's huge, people. So consider doing that, please. It helps me out as well. And thank you so much for joining me today. If you didn't already, click that beautiful red subscribe button down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.